I make this simple but absolutely delicious jollof coconut rice and everybody asks for more. Let me walk you through how you can make yours. Have one large red bell pepper, I cut into small pieces, one large onion, I cut it into small pieces, one large carrot, cut into small pieces, some ginger and dry chili pepper for a little bit of heat. I'll go ahead and blend them roughly. In a pan, add a good reasonable amount of oil, add some butter to it and allow to heat up slightly. Once it's heated up, go ahead and add some chopped onion. Stir fry it for about 2 minutes just to infuse flavor into the oil as usual. Add some chopped garlic and go ahead and stir fry everything together for another 30 seconds. 30 seconds later, go ahead and add your curry, thyme and oregano. If you are not making use of oregano, just go ahead and add your curry and thyme and stir fry it again for another 30 seconds. This is why I always add my spices into the oil. It brings out more flavor out of the spices when you add into the oil and just stir fry it for a couple of seconds. If that makes sense, I go ahead and add the pepper, and as you guys can see, the pepper is not too smooth or too rough. It's in between. Once I add the pepper, I stir it quickly and I go ahead and add the seasoning cube and salt. I just go ahead and cover the pan and allow to cook down for a couple of minutes. And this is about 15 minutes later. While it's cooking, I'm stirring on it. And at this stage, I go ahead and stir it again. And I go ahead and add the fish. Add the fish at this point because I don't want the fish to just look boring, just look fried, right? I just want to elevate the fish a little bit. That is why I had it at this stage. Once I add the fish, I stir everything together again and I cover the pan and allow everything to steam together for about 3 minutes. And at this stage, the fish is done, the pepper is done. I will just go ahead and remove the fish and set it aside. I went ahead and add the rice and also add the coconut milk. I'm making use of the store-bought coconut milk, but you can make your own coconut milk by yourself, alright? Once I add the coconut milk and the rice, I just go ahead and stir everything together until they are well combined. Add a little bit of water into the can of the coconut milk. Shake everything together really well and I pour it into the rice as well. I tasted for seasoning, everything is perfect. I just go ahead and cover it and allow to cook on a low heat. This is about 12 minutes of cooking the rice on a low heat. At this stage, I'll go ahead and place aluminum foil and place the cover again. Cover everything very well and transfer it to the other side of my cooker. And while that is going on, I'll go ahead and prep the veggies. In a fry pan, I just added a little bit of butter and allow to melt. Once it's melted, I go in with some onion, with carrot, with green peas and some sweet corn. And I'll go ahead and stir fry it until all the water dries out. I'll season the veggies with some black pepper, with white pepper and some nutmeg. You guys, if you are not adding nutmeg into your jollof rice, start adding it now. Adding nutmeg to your jollof rice, it makes a whole lot of difference. It brings out the flavor more. It makes it more delicious. Go and give it a try. Once I add the seasoning, stir it once again and they are well combined. I just go ahead and take it off the heat. And back to the rice. The rice is almost done. I just go ahead and fluff it gently. I added the veggies to the rice, and once I add the veggies, I just spread out the vegetables really well. Cover the pan again and allow everything to steam together on a very low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. Food done no. Oh yeah, bring your plate. I just go ahead and give it a final roast. And you guys, this looks so beautiful and it tastes absolutely delicious. No tomato paste, no tomato. You guys, the color is popping. Try nutmeg in your jollof rice and try carrot and come back here to leave me a comment. I just go ahead, give everything a final roast and I serve it. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.